Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss a knit from the herringbone collection. In this playlist, there are others with similar textures. This knit is tight, it does not stretch. It is not particularly elastic. The pattern has 2 loops and 2 rows and is knitted in the same manner on both sides. The number of loops must be a multiple of 2. 1 additional loop is required at the start of each new row. Row 1 is on the right side, here we work with loops in pairs. After the edge loop, this row's repeat pattern is: knit 2 loops together through the back, and knit the first one again. Repeat. Knit 2 loops together, and knit the first again. Repeat. Knit 2 loops together, and knit the first again. At the end of the row, knit 1 single loop. Row 2 is on the wrong side, here we work with loops in pairs again, but they start with the single loop from the previous row. After the edge loop, this row's repeat pattern is: purl 2 loops together, purl the first one again. Purl 2 loops together, purl the first one again. Purl 2 loops together, purl the first one again. Finally, purl 1 single loop. At the beginning of each row on the left hook, we have loops collected in pairs from previous rows. We also have 1 initial extra loop. It helps to form new pairs by making a shift with 1 stitch. There are lots of uses for this knit in winter knitwear. It is appropriate for home decor, accessories, and wherever the knitted fabric must be tight. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.